sleepyheads. You've made it. A little pat on your shoulder for getting it all the way to here. I'm Will, and thank you for letting me ushering you into a dreamy slumber. Let's get started with some box breathing. This is where we will breathe in, hold for a few seconds, and exhale. We'll do 4 seconds inhale, 4 seconds hold, and 4 seconds exhale. We're just going to do 3-1. In the nose, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last in the nose. Hold. Exhale. We can't be happy all the time. Sadness, trauma, loneliness, and fear can get to us. And that is okay. We will find our ways back up. And then in this meditation, what we will do is to use mindfulness to restore the feeling of confidence. That confidence may have been affected over time by all kinds of negative that you may have received in this world. Doesn't matter where you are. As long as you have experienced hardship, you could come across this stage in this mindfulness path with even a stronger sense of yourselves and a deeper appreciation for your own resourcefulness. But trauma and deep internal challenges can leave its mark on confidence, attitude, relationships, and behavior long after the core wound has healed. Mindfulness is here to help you feel more confidence in yourself, restoring your own original authenticity. Over time, you may have developed the tendency to over-monitor everything in your experience, looking out for signs of danger, harm, or anything unpleasant. I'm certainly guilty of that, especially when anxiety hits. And of course, it is healthy to look out for danger. But what happens if it doesn't balance out? So remembering that most of the time we're actually okay in each present moment. So we'll learn to acknowledge your monitoring without feeling or without letting it taking over. Then you will stop undermining your confidence in your current state of okayness by opening up to and bring mindfulness to all of the positive states of being throughout your body. Your sense of self-confidence will grow bit by bit, drop by drop, until your water bucket of self-confidence is full and embodied. The more you open up to your sense of being okay in this moment, again, moment by moment, the more your nervous system will relax, the more embodied you will feel, and the more internal resources you will feel are starting to become more available to you by also bringing mindfulness to more and more moments of safety, health, happiness, and space. You will automatically increase self-confidence with you and feel more confident about others. You are okay in this moment. You are safe in this moment. When you breathe, then there's a sense that there's gonna be having more rights than wrong with you. When you're present, you have resources to choose how you relate to your experiences. So well done. I hope you feel more confident about yourself in this moment. Just remember, trauma can leave its mark on confidence, attitudes, relationships, and behavior long after the core wound has healed. You may have developed the tendency now to over-monitor everything in your experience, looking out for the signs of danger, harm, or anything unpleasant. By opening up to and bringing mindfulness to all the positive states of being throughout your body, throughout your day, your sense of self-confidence will grow bit by bit. So thank you. Thank yourself for showing up today for this mindfulness practice. Be well, sleepyheads.